Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the box truck. This is the F650. So we're driving it today. It's a fairly new one. I'm not sure exactly what year. Probably like a 20, if I had to guess, 2022, 2023 F650. Make sure I watch this speed because when I came this way earlier, it was a state trooper setting out. He was riding that F150. So make sure I watch the speed limit. Weather today, I would say definitely cloudy. Look like it might be a strong chance of rain. So, yeah. Right now, we have about we quarter from full. So, we got plenty of fuel. Cruising about 47, 48 miles per hour. So, yeah. Looks like that trooper is gone, so we can go ahead and open her up. Sorry, these trucks don't have any shocks on them. At least not any good kind. Alright, so I got the first part of the job done. Yo, that road, that dirt road that you have to go down is rough. It is super rough. I would not take a personal vehicle, even if it was like I had a dump truck or something. That road is rough. So I'm assuming that since this truck doesn't have like the air shocks or anything, no air seat, that's why you feel it more. Because man, you feel every bump, and every bump, it ain't no small, it's every bump. It's huge. But other than that, I got the first part done. About to head and pick up the next load, run back, do that again, and that should wrap it up. Hopefully this next load take care of it. Call it early today.